How to obtain a company key for a provincial corporation in Ontario. A company key is a unique 9-digit code issued by the Ontario Business Registry, OBR. It acts like a password that allows authorized representatives to access and manage a corporation's profile online. Here's how to obtain your company key step by step. Step-by-step guide, Ontario. 1. Check your incorporation documents or confirmation email from the Ontario Business Registry, OBR. If you incorporated recently through the OBR, your company key is typically provided in your confirmation email. 2. Create or sign in to your MyOntario account. This account lets you access the OBR to manage filings, renewals, and company information. 3. If you did not receive your company key, request it directly from the OBR. Visit the Ontario Business Registry website and click on Get a Company Key. You'll be asked to provide your business number, company name, and official email address. 4. If you used a lawyer or third-party service to incorporate, contact them. They often receive the company key along with your incorporation documents. 5. If you already have access to your OBR account, you can regenerate a new company key. Log in and select Regenerate Company Key. This will cancel the previous key and issue a new one. 6. Keep your company key secure. Only share it with authorized individuals who need to file or update your corporation's information. Useful links: Ontario Business Registry, www.ontario.ca/page/Ontario Business Registry. Get a company key, www.ontario.ca/page/Get Company Key. Call us at 416-283-8774 or visit us at www.theaccountingandtax.com.